Hello guys, welcome back to our channel guys. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe because on this channel we discuss about investing, insurance and anything that will get your money right guys. So you don't want to miss out on our next show. So in today's video we'll be talking about 6 best investing and trading apps for beginners. So according to this article here by bankweight.com, it says it has never been easier to get started investing thanks to an array of online brokers and robo-advisors that put financial markets in the palm of your hand. So the best investing app for beginners simplify the process of picking stocks and ETFs to help you build an investment portfolio. So they provide a clean user experience of what can be a confusing landscape for beginner investors. So these 6 investing apps stand out for providing easy trading, portfolio management service, and helpful educational resources. So now let's start with number 1 here. So guys, the first website here says Charles Schwab. So Charles Schwab is one of the best online brokers and its app has plenty of offers beginners. So you will get low cost trading, access to fractional share investing, great for those with a limited budget to buy stocks, along with a deep well of research and educational resources that new investors will find useful. Plus, Schwab has some of the best customer support around. So here is the key features. The first key features here says commissioner free trades on stocks and ETF. Fractional shares includes access to watch list, news and chatting functionality, top-notch customer service. So now let's check out the website ourselves. So okay, here is the website. I'm sure it's an easy website to create, and here it says where investing your way is our way. Okay, so guys, if you want to create an account with them, just go to schwab.com, then you create an account, as easy as that. So now let's check the number 2 on the list. Number 2 on the list here says Robinhood. I know everybody must be familiar with Robinhood. So Robinhood streamlined mobile app and commission free trades on stocks, ETFs, options and crypto. Open up to world of investing for the mobile first crowd. The platform is easy to use and support fractional share investing in stocks and ETFs, so which make it popular with beginners who often start with smaller sums. So now let's check out Robinhood website. So Robinhood website is a very popular stocks trading website guys. So this is how Robinhood website looks like. So it's still loading. So guys, it's nothing crazy, just click on get started right here. So when you click on get started, you will be provided a option on where you can create an account. As you can see, sign up. You can sign up through this tab guys, and as easy as that, you get yourself a Robinhood account. So now let's go to the third one. The third one here says Webull. So though often mentioned in the same breach of Robinhood, Webull offers a more fully featured mobile apps with a comprehensive lineup of features many investors will appreciate. Commissions-free trading extend beyond stocks and ETFs to include options, and you can open an account with no minimum deposit. So for investors who want to try their hand at trading more exotic fare, Webull also offers features and crypto, though you will need to use a separate app, Webull Pay, to trade your favorite coin. So now let's check out Webull. So this is the official page of Webull. So as this app too, it is very easy to create an account. Just click on sign up and then input your mail and password. I think that's it, that's all. So and just verify. So it's not something complicated. So when you do that, you get yourself a Webull account. So now let's go to the next one. The next one here says Fidelity Investment. So Fidelity Investment has one of the best financial platforms around, and can handle just about anything a typical investor is looking to do. So you will get low cost trading, access to various retirement accounts, thousands of no transaction fee mutual fund, and access to its low cost, highly rated robo advisor. So Fidelity Go. Fidelity is a great choice for investors looking to keep most of their financial life with one firm. So now let's check out their official platform, guys. So here is Fidelity official platform. Let's see how it looks like. It's loading. I have set. So let's check it out. Yeah, so this is how your website looks like. So match your money to the moment. And this is how their tabs look like, guys. So like every other account also, you just need to sign up. You see, open an account, input your information, and there you go, you have yourself a Fidelity investment account. So now let's go to the next one. The next one here says Betterment. So Betterment is one of the best robo advisors and is a good fit for investors who want an investment portfolio to be managed automatically. So the apps build a portfolio based on your goal and risk tolerance using ETFs. So there is a 0.25% annual management fee, but it's less than what you would pay for a traditional financial advisor. And if you have less than $20,000 across all accounts, Betterment will waive the fee if you set up a recurring deposit. So now let's check out the app. So here is Betterment app and how it looks like. Okay, this is the official account. So this is the official page of Betterment, guys. So as you can see, it's just a straightforward page, guys. So like other investment app, guys, what you just need to do is get started, then log in, then create an account with your mail, and that's all. You have yourself a Betterment account. So now let's go to the next one. The next one here says Wealth Funds. So Wealth Funds is another top choice for those looking for a robo advisor to manage a portfolio, but also a place to serve as command central for your other investing and banking needs. Wealth fund portfolios are built using low-cost ETFs and include features such like tax loss harvesting and automatic rebalancing for a 0.25% annual management fee. Beyond automated portfolio management, it also offers commission-free stocks and ETF trading and a feature-rich cash management account with checking, bill pay, fee-free, ATM access and more that earns the top spot in the 2025 Bankweight Award. Okay, that's good. So now let's check out Wealth Funds. So guys, this is how Wealth Funds website looks like, guys. So this is how it looks like, and I like this view. Very seamless. So if you want to create an account, just click on get started, and then that's all. You get yourself a Wealth Funds account. So that will be all for today's video, guys. If you like our video, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.